So I just got home to find this massive package waiting for me, and I checked the return address, and it's from Squishmallows. I have no idea what's in here, so I put my camera on and we're gonna find out together. There's a little hole in the bag, and the first thing I can see is a light blue ear. I have no idea which Squishmallow this belongs to. Oh my goodness. Okay, blue-eared friend. Oh, this is a big blue-eared friend. Oh my gosh, they sent me a big blue puppy. How cute is he? Okay, on his tag, his name is Brett. Thank you for being here, Brett. Okay, who will be my second new squish of the day? This one feels like a clip size. It's a strawberry hamster. Look how cute that is. I have never seen this Squishmallow design before. Okay, its name is Davy. Okay, Davy, you can hang out with Brett. What else is gonna be in here? I see another clip. Oh my goodness, this is another clip design I hadn't seen. Look, it's a little shark eating an ice cream. He's so cute. This is what he looks like on the back. And then what have we got on the tag? So it's another version of Ray the shark. He's a shy shark with an eye for fashion. Oh my goodness, he is so fashionable eating his ice cream there. You can join this hangout. I mean, he didn't drop them. Good job, Brett. Alrighty. The next one, we have a beautiful pastel tie-dye cow. Her name is Rena, and she is the 7-inch size. Look at the pink fluffy tail. Oh, I love these tie-dye markings. They're so pretty. Haul still isn't over yet. We've got Avery, not just any Avery. They're playing football. You know, this would be the perfect coach for all my McDonald's Squishmallows I've been collecting. You don't play that sport? I'm sure you can figure it out. Alrighty, I'm seeing someone very rainbow next. Oh my goodness, we have this beautiful rainbow husky, which I think is part of a Pride collection. It's got this special mark on it. Its name is Heath, and it has purple embroidery and then little sparkly ears. Oh, it also has a cute tail on the back. And the final thing in the package is 2 mystery Squishmallows. These are scented Squishmallows. There are 6 different designs to get, and I'm hoping to get the purple one. The first bag. Not the purple one, but it is a very cute pink and tie-dye donut. Oh my gosh, it smells like strawberries. Lots of pretty embroidered sprinkles on there, and its name is Roberta. Then for my second mystery Squishmallow, oh my goodness, what? It's Roberta again! But the cool thing about tie-dye Squishmallows is look how different they are. Just look at all the differences in their swirls. I love them both. Now, can you believe it that Squishmallows managed to send me an entire new squad? I don't have a single one of these Squishmallows in my collection yet. I woke up today with no Roberta Squishmallows, and now I have 2 very different ones. Well, thank you so much to Squishmallows and Progressive PR for sending me this beautiful squishy package. Keep your eye out for all these beautiful Squishmallows and more at Target, Big W, Kmart, Toy World, Toymate, and other great retailers. Now, while I have you here all comfy and cozy and on the topic of Squishmallows, I have a whole bunch of other Squishmallows that I've picked up recently to show you, as well as a box of Squishmallow mystery capsules. Now, these are actually Easter capsules, which I bought for Easter, but they didn't arrive in time, so I thought, I know, I'll save them for next Easter. But then every time I see them, I'm like, I really want to open them up. I can't wait until next year, because there are 6 absolutely adorable designs. Our first mystery capsule. Who is the first mystery squish gonna be? Oh, it's a little pink cat, and she's wearing a daisy chain. Her name is Wilka. That's so adorable. Ooh, Wilka is an engineer working for her local electric company. You know what I'd really like is some electric wires that look like daisy chains. Can you make them happen for me? Then now let's open up the orange capsule. And it is, oh, it's the carrot cupcake. It looks so good in this orange capsule, doesn't it? Her name is Keisha. She's a carrot cupcake with a carrot there. She has all these embroidered sprinkles on her too. Tell me about yourself, Keisha. She subscribes to a bunch of magazines, and when she's done reading them, she cuts out different pictures and articles to make a collage. I want to do that. Let's have scrapbooking days together. Let's open up this minty colored one next. Now, I forgot to say earlier, I do already have one of these. Where are you? I did get this one at Easter time, found it at Big W, so there's a good chance I'm going to get a double, but I welcome doubles. I would love another little version of this frog. Frog, is that you? Oh, no, it's not a frog at all. It's actually, look at this little chicken. It's in an aqua bucket hat. The little flower embroidery. Stop. That's way too cute. This is Tristan the duck. And Tristan is rarely seen without his twin sister, Trina. I had no idea the lore of the Squishmallow chicks. Next, we are opening up the blue capsule. Oh, yay! I really wanted this one. Actually, I really wanted all of them, so. It's a chocolate-dipped strawberry bunny. Oh, you would be good friends with Davy. More of a pink strawberry, more of a red strawberry. But look, the perfect besties. Now, that leaves us with 2 capsules. So I ordered all 6 of these from the Gamesman. If it was a fresh box, it's likely to have the cow and the frog in the next 2 capsules, but it might not have been. I don't know. Let's find out. Yellow capsule. That doesn't usually happen. And our 5th design is, oh, it's the cow. It's so cute because it's a little Easter cookie. You can see all the icing details. I'm absolutely obsessed with cookie Squishmallows. Like, they're way too cute. The Squish also has a fuzzy pink tail. Maybe they're related. And then lastly, we have this reddy, corally colored capsule, which I'm thinking is gonna contain the frog. What do you think, Thomas? Is your twin in here? Thomas 2, is that you? No, it's not Thomas 2. It's actually Keisha 2. I really thought it was going to have a full set. That is so lucky that I managed to get this one from Big W and the other 5 in my box set. Also, how cute is this box? It's purple. It's got so many cute characters on it. Well, thank you to all my Easter squishes for being here. Now, let me show you the rest of these wonderful fellows. I'm going to start off with this cactus clip. It's a purple cactus. I got this in the same order as these from the Gamesmen, so it does feel like I've already had her for a while, but I wanted to show her because look at that pink flower. She's just so cute. Then another new purple friend I got was Monica. This is Monica with a flower headband. Super cute. Now, I actually got this Squishmallow from Comic-Con. I wasn't expecting to see Squishmallows at Comic-Con, but Brickhead's Collectibles were selling a whole bunch. Definitely check out their website because they had quite a few Squish that I hadn't seen anywhere. So another one was Moni the Monarch Butterfly. She's wearing a flower crown. She's got a sparkly belly, and I just love the Monarch Butterfly wings. They're so pretty. Then this one is Majorie, a cute pink bunny. She has a little flower up here too. And then this one is a very stylish blue chicken. Its name is Dolores. I love the overalls, especially this pocket, because you can actually put something in there, like this tiny little Squishmallow. That's so perfect, isn't it? Next, I have 2 5-inch squishes to show you. This was a dream squish. It's a lavender latte. Look at that. It has embroidered lavender on it. Now, as I love this one a lot, she has had a lot of cuddles, and I did take off her tag. I do know from memory, however, that her name is Lakshmi. Lakshmi the lavender latte. Now, I got her from Woolworths, and in the same squad was this cute little creature. This is Kiefer. He's a little sea bunny. I love the fluffy antlers, the fluffy stomach, and he has a fluffy tail as well. Then, as a frog enthusiast, I had to buy Wendy the frog. This one has a little blue bag with flowers on it. I love it when Squishmallows are wearing little accessories. It just makes them extra cute. Now, does this Wendy still play basketball? Oh, yes, she does. I wonder if she has her basketball outfit in there. Now, I got this Wendy from Target. I also got 2 other squishes from Target. These 2, who are the last 2 squishes of the day. And can I just say, I love fantasy creature Squishmallows. We've got a Yeti and a Goblin here. Our Yeti's name is Neensy. This Yeti is pink. It's got dark pink on it too, which looks so good. And little silver sparkly antlers. I just love how fluffy she looks with all these little fuzzy embroidery bits. And her tooth is adorable. And our last Squishmallow of today is June. This is June the Goblin. I absolutely love the goblin design of Squishmallows. I love this gold crown he's wearing, fuzzy belly, and the goblin tail. Now, June, what do you do? Ooh, June is participating in a Jump for Joy jump rope-a-thon. Would you like to show us to end off the video? Wow, that was fabulous. Well, thank you so much for joining me today to look at Squishmallows. Let me know in the comments who was your favorite Squishmallow from today. I hope you have a wonderful squishy day, and I will see you with more Squishmallow videos very soon. Bye.